making chicken popcorn, you want? It's delicious. Do it. Do it fast. Let's clean the chicken. Take a bowl of bowl and take out. Watch the chicken is there. Let's go and set it. Now, put in this water. Full bowl. Oh. Sorry. Let's mix it up the chicken. Sorry. Wow, chickeny. Now, good chicken. Everywhere chicken is inside. Oh, chicken. Yummy, chickeny. Chicken popcorn, 5 chicken popcorn. Let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16, 32. 32 chicken. I love mine. First I take chicken pieces. 31, 32. Next, oregano. Let me get the water. Now, eggs. I beat the egg there. Now, put it inside. Ooh. Look at that. You can see oil, Daddy. Now, I put a little bit salt. This tastes like mayonnaise. Little bit vinegar. Now put little vinegar inside. Now I put corn flour. And the brass. Mix the chicken. Mix every ingredient. Now that soya sauce. Stick them. I don't like this. I'll not eat you now. I'll not eat this. Like this. I cut it up pieces. Put this back. Wait for 40 minutes. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 44. Okay, now? I'll pick it up. And put the ball here. And take this one. Let it crunch everything. Little bit chili powder. Now all-purpose bowl. Let's take it up. Put it all. Sorry, Daddy. Now mix it up. Delicious. Look at this, Daddy. I'm making spoon tips. It's nice as spoon tips. Nice. It's coming up. Like that. Let's put the oil inside. This is oil. See. Look at this. A black chicken. That smells funny. Let's take this one. Let's put it. Got it. Windy. Windy. Whee! Daddy, like it. It's frying fast. I'm not sure I'm frying fast. Get just me. Fry it. Got it. ready. Now these are goodies. Let's mix this. Wow, popcorn chicken already. Yes. Want to see it? Look. That ready? Oh, what is ready? They're running fast. Super. Oh, right, gonna get me. Can you see that, Daddy? Look at. That is chicken. That is chicken. Triangle. Leader. That is chicken. Give that. Wow, these are over. Let's take it up this. Wow, let's see. In the fork. Daily we can do. Oh, in my memory. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Clean and nice and clean. Let's go. Switch off the cameras and take the tomato sauce. The chicken popcorn is ready. Let's go eat. That one. Wanna? Delicious. Delicious. Look, delicious. We go home, okay? After we go home, we need to give the uncle for that popcorn. That chicken popcorn. Okay? Don't try this. Taste it up, Daddy. This tomato ketchup, see?
Thank you.
Oh, my tomato ketchup is going. Delicious. Oh, the delicious. I'll finish with my hand. Ah! You bite my hand. Boo!
Minnu, you scared me?
No, I'm scared camera. This is my favorite chicken pakodi. Mommy, you not two. Two mans are not shooting. Only one man shooting chicken.
Hi friends.
Hey, friends and
మళ్ళీ చెప్పమ్మా.
with the more tomato ketchup. Sana na.
తిను
Hello.
తినమ్మా.
Yeah.